This is going to sound crazy, but I found a talking animal wandering Medusa's dungeon. I sold it to a trader in Paseo. That little guy was worth a fortune. Oh dear. I think here is a non-stop flight to Montavia. Getting on? Yes. Whoa. Oh man, I love the sound effects. This is far more better than the original one. The US one, or the American one. Okay, this is far more better. Okay. Paseo. Okay. Okay, going through. Okay. Okay. Nope. Okay. Ever seen a talking animal before? I got one here. Real rare. Might be the only one. 1 billion meseta, and it's yours. How about it? No? That's too bad. Hold on now. Is that a Laconian pat? How about a trade? The pat for the fur ball? Yes. I hate to see the little guy go, but I can toss up a trade like this. Take good care of him. Okay. Hello. I guess we're companions now, huh? I'm Alisa. What's your name? Meow. Hello, Meow. I'm looking for a man named Tylon. Rumor has it he was traveling with a talking animal. I don't suppose that was you. Tylon got turned to stone trying to slay Medusa. We can heal him with this medicine, but I can't open the lid. I think I can manage that. Come on, let's go help him.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears, and sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British enemy.